A big thanks to Miller's Chevrolet, Toyota, and Scion in Martinsburg, West Virginia, for letting me film their vehicles today. As you can see, they have a good selection of new Chevrolet vehicles, new Toyota vehicles, and new Scion vehicles. Feel free to check out their website by clicking the link below in the description, and their other information such as their telephone number and their address is also in the description. Hey Chevy fans, here we have a brand new 2015 Impala LT V6. This has the 2LT package. This one's wearing the bronze exterior, autumn bronze that is. Alloy rims. Tire sizes are 245, 45 R19s. Remote keyless entry. With remote start. LED headlamps. Chrome outlining in various places in the front. LED turn signals on the mirrors, chrome outlining around the windows, sunroof, the autumn bronze exterior with a dark brown leather and suede interior with white stitching. This Impala has a Bose sound system. Suede inserts on the doors, soft to the touch armrest with white stitching, and it's all soft to the touch up here. Chrome interior handles, power windows, locks, and mirrors. Parking brake, trunk release, interior lighting controls, and other controls there. Storage compartment there. You have a 4-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel with black stitching and a chrome piece along the bottom. Smart key access system. Just set the key fob down, apply your foot to the brake, and push the push button ignition to start. Chevrolet MyLink system, gauge sweep. This is all soft to the touch up here. Good grip on the steering wheel.
This vehicle is in demonstration mode, connected by OnStar's high-speed 4G connection. Press the blue OnStar button to learn more.
This one has OnStar, and it's still in transportation mode as you just heard. Flashers, climate controls, audio controls, your touchscreen display system up there. 2 cup holders, a nice chrome kind of material here in the center, fake chrome. Power outlet and storage down there. Electronic shiftable mode. Backup camera with guidance lines. Leather wrapped around the shifter there with the white stitching. Heated seat controls, traction control. Leather padded armrest with white stitching. Again, this is all soft to the touch up here. giving the car a very nice high quality feel. Let's go ahead and pop the hood while we're down here. Power seats. Your signature Impala badge. The dark brown leather interior with the suede goes very well with the autumn bronze. Very nice amount of legroom for a full-size car like this. Not cramped at all. Plenty of room to stretch out and move around. Power outlet down there. Storage area, 2 ventilation ducts, a little chrome strip along the top. Storage in your seats. Flop down armrest with 2 cup holders. Interior lighting for the rear passengers. This Impala has a sunroof. Storage in the doors with cup holders. Nice amount of cargo space. About average for a full-size car. This one has the factory Impala mats. And it also has the factory trunk mat. Rear spoiler. This one, after all the options, is priced at $37,335. This seat is back quite a bit more than the driver's seat, but my knees or legs still aren't touching the passenger seat, and I have enough room to where I'm not cramped. Front passenger side. There's a view of your dash and center controls. Chrome strip with a black plastic strip, shiny high gloss. Running from the passenger side all the way over to there. And you have a chrome outlining, brushed chrome outlining that is, around your gauge cluster. The front passenger has a very nice amount of legroom. It isn't cramped and can stretch out. Let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you have GM's 3.6 liter variable valve timing direct injection V6, and that engine is paired to the 6-speed automatic transmission. Let's go ahead and shut it off and do one more quick walk around of it. All the windows are automatic up and down, which is a nice feature. Don't forget to grab your key fob on the way out. But there you go. That's the startup, tour, and review of this brand new 2015 Chevrolet Impala LT with the 2LT package. This one is the V6. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos.